In this tutorial, we will review the different Cloudlab plans. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. Access the Cloudlab section from the menu on the left. Next, go to the pricing section within Cloudlab, where you'll find the 3 Cloudlab plan types. First, you'll find the Learning Plan, designed for online training. With this plan, you can create activities combining questions with text, images, and video. These types of activities are great for creating video test exams that require multimedia resources. When evaluating activities completed by users, you'll have the option to get cross-tabulated results, enabling you to compare user outcomes and quickly identify training areas that need improvement. To facilitate these activities, the Learning Plan allows you to create work groups based on your platform users, grouping them by category or activity type. When managing clips, the Learning Plan lets you include additional information to make them easier to locate and assign to desired activities, ensuring your clip library stays well organized. Next, we have the Scouting Plan, designed for analysts. This plan offers comprehensive sports analysis, incorporating clip libraries like the previous plan, but adding the option to upload not only clips, but entire matches to your platform. You can add match and event statistics, enabling detailed analysis and easy navigation through the most significant moments of the match you've tagged. With the Scouting Plan, you can upload up to 4 angles of your matches or clips, allowing for in-depth analysis from multiple perspectives. Uploading clips or matches, complete with events, tags, and up to 4 angles, is simple when you use Azure Match Analysis, which enables direct uploads to your Cloudlab platform, fully prepared for viewing. This even includes match analysis from major streaming platforms. Finally, there's the option to choose the Premium Plan, used by professionals who need all the functionalities in one platform. With this plan, you'll have all the features of both the Learning Plan and the Scouting Plan in one place, allowing you to use your Cloudlab platform for both training and sports analysis. All plans can be configured to accommodate the number of users and storage you need, fully adapting to your requirements. If you need more information about configuring users and storage for your Cloudlab platform, you can visit the tutorial titled Creating a Cloudlab Platform, where you'll find all the information you need. Follow us to learn more about the tutorials and features WePermedia offers, and stay updated on the latest developments.